myself better because I am honest.
Every shape and every scar and every flaw and curve and thing that society tells me is wrong. My mind, my heart, my spirit. I am so beautiful.
Now, I want you to open your eyes and look around you, at each other.
Smile at the person next to you and recognize that they are also brave. And have gone through battles in life they thought they'd lose. They are honest, they are hopeful, and they are beautiful, just like you.